Hi and welcome to Tips from the Hips, the best tips and hips on the internet, in my opinion.
And today we're talking about cutting a veneered board without getting the sort of tear out often happens on a table saw. So two tips really. One is to put on a sheet of MDF, cut through it with a saw so you've got a zero clearance insert on top of your table saw.
Or on the base of your circular saw or jigsaw.
And the other one is to put some masking tape right across your cut line. As you can see, no breakout, tear out on the top side of the cut, and virtually none underneath.
For woodworking tips from the hips and much more, subscribe now. And if you share this video, I'll send you some positive woodworking vibes. For a chance to win this nightstand that I'm going to be building, check out my Just Giving page.